Grace, nandiyan ka pa rin.
Tsaka na ang tagal na nila sa loob. Baka mamaya kung ano nang nangyari kay Edward.
I don't think so, Grace. Kausap naman ni Edward si William. Yes, they fight, they disagree with each other. Pero kapag may problema, takbuhan nila lang ang isa't isa.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Oh, good.
Okay. Kaya kung may problema man si Edward, kahit ano pa yan, I assure you, Grace, William is the best person to help, alright?
Edward? Edward?
He's inside. He's fine.
Eh, yung narinig natin.
May nasagi lang siya. It's nothing.
Alright, Grace, I have something to do. William, take charge, okay?
So, John.
Right, excuse me.
Kuya William, nothing? Ibang-iba na ang kinikilos ni Edward. He's not the Edward I know. Nag-aalala ako baka kung ano nang nangyari sa kanya.
Look, Grace, you're worrying too much. He's just anxious. He's handling a big account for the company, and I assured him na tutulungan ko siya. So he's calm. Everything's alright.
So, pwede ko na siyang kausapin?
Of course. I told you worry too much. I also told you na nandito lang ako. If you need me, when you need me. So if anything happens to you or kay Edward, just let me know.
Thank you. Kuya William, sana hindi ka magsawang tulungan siya.
Ako pa. He needs me now more than ever. And I'm gonna give him what he needs. Come. Good luck.
Ano nga ba yun? Para saan yun?
Pampawala ng sakit ng ulo. But what Edward doesn't realize, as he slowly gets dependent on the drug, is may mga pagbabago siyang mararamdaman.
Ano pong mababago sa kanya?
I remember when I used to take that drug. Ang sarap. Kumakalma ako. At nawawala ang lahat ng sakit na nararamdaman ko.